Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on PUBG. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to block or unfriend someone on PUBG, then first open up your PUBG mobile game application. Also make sure that you are logged into your game. Now, you'll be able to see a world chat. Select the world chat at the bottom right hand corner from your lobby page, and soon after you do that, you'll be able to see your world chat pop up displayed on the left hand side. Now select the third option that looks like a contacts icon, and you'll be able to see your friends list displayed on the screen. Select the avatar of the friend you'd like to block and tap on the menu icon appearing at the top right. Now, you'll be able to see a small pop-up on the right hand side. Click on the exclamatory icon, you'll be able to see it at the top right of the little pop-up. Give it a tap and you should see a block option appearing. Tap on block in order to block the contact. Now, in the pop-up, it'll ask you if you'd like to add the person in the block list. Tap on OK to confirm. Remember that you will not be able to receive messages from this player and your synergy with them will be deleted as well. Tap on OK to confirm and you'll be able to see that you've blocked someone on your PUBG account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.